Once upon a time, far, far away, there lived a very happy little alien called Alan. One day, Alan woke up to the happy sun shining in his window.
All you need is love. Oh, yeah.
Hello, Mr. Sun. How are you today?
I feel especially good today. Why don't you come outside to join me on this beautiful day?
Alan jumped out of bed, washed his face, and went outside to enjoy the new day. He decided to visit his friend Sammy the squirrel, who he hadn't seen in a very long time. As Alan walked along humming a song, he saw one sad little flower.
Aww.
Why are you so sad, little flower? Why are you so sad, little flower?
My name is Tina, and I'm sad because I'm all alone. I wish I lived in a garden with other flowers.
This made Alan feel sad too. He thought about how he could help her.